guys, it's Shipface here, and this is coming 8242 on Anthem of the Seas. So over here it is an accessible junior suite, so you just get your card. This room does have a doorbell as well, which is pretty cool. As it's a junior suite, you do get the two sides, sleeping off bench and outside insurance, because you still get the 2 services a day with a junior suite and higher. So you have all the information here, then you have the lights here, and the door does close automatically as well. So you just press in these lights, and they're dimmers, and you can use any card on this ship, which is really helpful. It's a Holiday Inn Southampton one. That is the button to reopen the door from the inside. So as you come here, you have the bathroom. You do get a bath with this one if you are able to move into it. My mum can not get into the bath, so they use the shower. So a few things they've told me about this room is that the toilets are very low down, and we bought this ourselves, this toilet rails to help her get up and down, and she puts it there and she puts it on the shower. So my parents recommend that you bring one of these if you have it yourself, or mobility at sea if you're not able to move. My mum just transfers in and out of the chair, so that was really helpful. So they recommend you bring one of these to help you move around. So you get lots of rails. Also, one thing they said is there's only rails on one side and not this side, which isn't helpful either. There is space for one to like come down, but they haven't put it in. So yeah, recommend one of these. So yeah, with the bath, you can get rails around the outside as well if you are able to move into it. So yeah, lots of, and also there's a shower there. Seat here, you do get upgraded amenities in the junior suites, and yeah, you do get a rainfall shower, one here. Yeah, so lots of also rail space for towels and stuff. You get 2 sinks in this one. Again, the upgraded amenities, and you get 2 shaver ports as well, and 2 big mirrors. As you come out of the bathroom, my mum bought these from Amazon, metal hooks, and she's been hanging them on here like that. She got them on Amazon, so they were really helpful. I've had them in my room as well, so I would definitely use those if you can get them. Thermostats here. You have this marble table sort of thing with a mirror here with all your USBs, European and American chargers. Your own coffee machine, the Vatsa, all of this stuff. I don't really drink coffee, and the kettle. And there's a cabinet here where the mini fridge is. Yes. Again, you have to ask Royal Caribbean to stock it out for you, or your stateroom attendant. Nice long sofa. I do think it's a sofa bed. Little towel angle there, look at that. More storage there with a lamp, another window. It's our last day, so they have packed and they've put it there. But yeah, nice window there as well. A nice view out there. 2 wardrobe space here and there. So they'll be hanging in here, and the 2 hangings in here. But on this one, compared to other rooms, they don't have the storage over the beds, which is really helpful. So it doesn't feel as much. I know you have those extra ones there, but in a normal room, a normal balcony room like I've got, there seems to be a bit more storage. If you go and check out my balcony room, but comparing this to a junior suite, I assume there might be another thing because this is accessible. So they take a few things out. But again, it doesn't seem that much storage for a junior suite. So get a TV here, which comes out for the sofa and for the bed. So yeah. Now we get onto the balcony. One thing about this one is that my parents say that the ramp for the balcony is so much better than you can actually get off the ramp, because the one on Virtuoso, you had to like, the balcony is a lot thinner, so you can, she basically comes out and she sits on the ramp, so it's like awkwardly like standing. So yeah, this is good. She's actually got out and onto the balcony. You get upgraded like cushions and seats, and a bigger table as well. And that's the balcony next door. So if you don't have, my nan's next door, so that would normally be closed off. So it's the size of a basically 1.5 rooms basically. Oh no, this is 2 rooms. Sorry, 2 rooms, because it's a bit bigger for accessible. But normal junior suites would be 1.5. So yeah, get a lot of space for that balcony. So yeah, this is cabin 8242 on Anthem of the Seas. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipfaced here. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.